quiet still.
Hello everybody, it's me, Max, and with me I have my good friend Boo and my cat, Sniffy.
Hello.
Hello. What are we doing today, Max?
I'm so glad you asked. We have bought a bunch of eggs and now we have to see if they're going to hatch.
What's inside of them?
I don't know, we have to find out.
Okay.
But first, let's see how many eggs we have. Let's see. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs. Okay, well let's go ahead. And what do you say? Let's go ahead and see what is inside the eggs.
Okay. That was my favorite animal, elephants.
It might be, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's look at the blue egg. Let's see what is inside this blue egg.
Please be an elephant, a blue elephant.
How do we know? Oh, it's cracking.
It's good.
Okay, it cracked. Let's see. I'm kind of impatient. I'm really excited to see.
Me too, but...
Oh, it is it's a baby T-Rex. Oh, that's so cute.
Yeah, it's adorable.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I love it.
Oh, no, it's growing. It is growing. Okay, this is not ideal.
He's not cute.
Okay,
He's not...
go ahead. You leave. Go out the door.
Oh, go out the door. You can't
Your
fit.
mom is going to be so upset. This is not great.
He's not gonna fit out the door. He's gonna have to break the door to get out.
Oh no! I feel bad about that. Okay, makes me a little nervous about looking at the next egg, but I think that it'll be okay. Oh no, he's going down the street.
He's going around the city.
Oh my gosh.
Now
That is a scary situation, but let's focus on the room for now.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see what we have here. Let's do the purple egg.
Purple is perfect.
Okay, let's see what we got in the purple egg. You think it's another dinosaur?
Or purple elephant.
Could be a purple elephant.
Maybe it's another dinosaur.
I like purple. Because I'm purple. Oh,
Maybe you're inside the egg, Sniffy.
I don't know.
Okay, it's cracking. Let's see.
What is it?
Is it a purple elephant?
I hope it's a purple elephant. Oh,
It is a Pachycephalosaurus.
that's adorable.
They can get quite big. I hope. Oh no!
See, this is happening again, Max. I don't think this was a great idea.
Okay, but that is not helping right now. Please go the same way. I feel like the T-Rex probably already broke the door, so he could probably fit through now, right?
What if he's bigger? He'll have to make a new hollow.
Oh man, this is a problem. Okay, well let's move on. I think we do it. I mean, we still have these eggs. We have to see what's going to happen.
Yeah.
So let's see.
What is going to be happening?
Okay, let's look at the red egg.
Okay.
What do you think is in the red egg, Boo?
I think it's a red elephant.
Maybe. I like your optimism. Oh, it's cracked. What do we have inside here?
That's what it is. It's red elephant. No, it's not. I'll think. Maybe it's a triceratops.
Yep, it's a triceratops. Let's see what happens. Maybe he won't grow, and it'll stay be a cute baby. What do you think?
I can bring it home that way, and it'll stay in the house.
Well, it is your home, so there you go. Oh, he's going to. Oh, jeez. Just go ahead. Watch out for the horns.
He made a new hole with his horn, I bet.
I feel like our neighbors are going to be very upset.
And very dinosaurs.
Yes, there's gonna be dinosaurs all over the place.
Even in other people's houses, we'll have to fix this.
How are we going to fix this?
I don't know, let's just keep...
Good news, guys. Apparently, I'm not allergic to dinosaurs.
That is good news, Sniffy. I'm glad to hear that.
But you're still allergic to yourself, and I haven't heard you sneezing in a while.
I'm using a new dander shampoo. It's been doing wonders for my allergies.
Oh, it's an orange elephant!
Do you think it's an orange elephant?
I
Let's
think
see. It's cracked. It's cracked. Let's see what it is.
It's an orange elephant.
I don't know. Let's find out.
It's gonna look like... Oh!
Oh, it's an Ankylosaurus.
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 Perfect. I think it can make a new hole.
Do you think?
If it grows, it can make a new hole with its spikes on his back.
Oh man. I don't want to have to explain this
It's
to your mom.
growing!
Oh, he doesn't look happy. Oh, jeez, he's very big. Okay, bye.
He's gonna have to make a new hole.
It's scary. Okay.
Well, he's not an orange elephant.
He was not an orange elephant, no.
No.
Oh, let's check it out. Our T-Rex friend. Here he goes, running through the city. People are gonna want to know where it came from, and unfortunately, I'm gonna find out it was us. It's a green egg. What do you think it is, Boo?
A green elephant.
Maybe.
I've never seen a green elephant before. I think that would be pretty cool.
Well, there's a green elephant down here, and then it's...
Oh, look at it. It is another baby. It is a baby Brachiosaurus.
Pretty
Okay, let's get pretty big.
I think it's gonna be...
I hope he leaves before it keeps growing because they're gonna... Okay, good. Because he would have been so big that he would have taken the roof off of the house. It would have been ridiculous.
Yeah, take the roof off.
Well, we only have 2 eggs left.
You have the the yellow and pink.
That's correct, Boo. What do you think's gonna be in those ones?
A yellow and pink elephant. The pink one we already have. It's Ellie.
Let's see.
It just cracked.
I can't wait to see what it is.
I just hope it's not a scary dinosaur. You know, just like a friendly dinosaur.
Yeah, but if it was friendly, it wouldn't be big.
Yes, he could be. Oh no! It is a velociraptor! It is the scariest of all dinosaurs!
Ah!
This is scary. Okay, maybe he will stay a baby and he won't grow. That would be good for everyone.
Yeah. Well, maybe he will.
Hold it still. Maybe he'll just leave. Maybe he'll just leave. Okay. Let's just. He's leaving. He's leaving. Okay. Okay. I think he left. Let's just move on. We'll move on. Last we have the yellow egg.
What's a yellow elephant?
You think it's going to be a yellow elephant?
I hope it's a yellow elephant.
We'll see. Oh,
He's gonna crack in it. Crack in it.
It'd be so cool if there was a yellow elephant, Boo.
I know. I really like it.
Oh, it's a pteranodon.
Pteranodon. Oh, I think it's gonna.
How is it going to fly in the house?
It could make the roof off by doing that. Yeah.
Oh, it's getting bigger.
Pretty big.
Okay.
They're pretty big with their wings. He's flying.
Oh, he's flying. He is flying. This is not great. He didn't go towards the door. Other way. Out the door. Okay.
That's the
This is
end.
good. This is good.
So what are we doing now?
Okay, your mom is home, and we need to get your mom. Because I think it's very important that we can help. Because we can't handle this on our own, Boo.
Okay.
Alright, let's go get your mom. But first, let's just go ahead and check on our T-Rex friend.
Okay.
Oh no, he's coming towards the house!
Yeah, he's coming in the house. The Rex is coming in the house.
Okay, let's get mom.
He's coming in the house again.
Okay, bye everyone!
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Please subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos. Thank you. Yes, please subscribe. Thank you.